Here's a tip for you. You guys see this cupboard here? Can you see inside that cupboard? No, you can't. You know why? Because the cupboard door is not see-through. What I have behind that cupboard door is I have a piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, I have odd little notes that come in handy for when you're cooking. We've all been there, right? Maybe you don't make rice very often. You're making the basmati rice. Oh, what was that setting I have on my stove? You know, that one time it worked out just perfect. I can't remember what it was. So we have on that piece of paper written on there, basmati rice, 2 notches from low, 12 minutes. And it's going to be perfect. We've all been there. Maybe you're making brown rice and, oh, I don't make it very often. What did I do last time? Just write it down on there, what you did. Maybe you make it in the microwave. Oh yeah, it's on, you know, a setting of 8 for so many minutes and a setting of, write it down in there. You have a cheat sheet right at your fingertips at any given time that no one's going to see. Your guests, your family, your house isn't going to look like in shambles because you have all these post-it notes all over the place. No one's going to see it. Open the cupboard door. Oh yeah, it's right there. And then you know what to do. It's so easy. It's so handy. And some people say, oh, it's a digital world. You should just do on Google Notes or Google Keep or whatever. I'm not going to pull out my phone and start searching it up. The most important things are going to be right there. And I'm going to be in my kitchen cooking. I just open the door. It's right there in front of me. Anyway, I love that. So hopefully you guys find some value in that.